In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Krita brushes step by step so you can save your custom brush presets into a bundle and move them to another device or back them up safely. This is really useful if you've spent time building the perfect brush set and don't want to lose it. And if you enjoy quick Krita tutorials like this, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful content. Let's jump in. First, open Krita and look at the top menu bar. Go to Settings, then click Manage Resources. This opens the Resource Manager, which is where Krita lets you organize and export different resource types like brushes, gradients, and more. Once the Resource Manager window opens, look down to the bottom right corner and click Create Bundle. This is the option that starts the export process and lets you package your selected resources into one bundle file. Next, you'll see a resource type drop-down menu. Open that drop-down and select Brush Presets. This tells Krita that you want to export brushes specifically instead of another type of resource. After that, take a look at the left-hand column. This is where your available custom brushes are listed. Find the brush presets you want to export, then click each one so it moves into the active bundle list. If you want to export several brushes, make sure you select all the ones you need before moving forward. Once your brush list is ready, click Next to continue to the tagging step. Here, Krita may ask you to select tags, which helps organize the bundle and makes it easier to identify later. Choose the tags that best match the brushes you're exporting, then click Next again to move on to the bundle details page. On this screen, enter the bundle details. Give your bundle a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to export more brush packs in the future. If there are any description or version fields available, fill those in as well to keep your bundle organized. After that, click next to choose the save location. Pick the folder where you want Krita to save the exported bundle file. It's a good idea to choose a location you can easily find, like your desktop or a dedicated backup folder. Once you've selected the save location, click Save to finish exporting your Krita brushes. Krita will create the bundle file, and your custom brush presets will now be exported successfully. You can keep this file as a backup or transfer it to another computer whenever you need it. So that's how to export Krita brushes quickly and easily using the Resource Manager and Create Bundle option. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita guide.